Let's level up. See what's on that.
This, I believe, is one of the best tricks ever created, but there's just one glaring issue that stops me performing it all the time. What is this? I genuinely have no idea what it's even supposed to be. All I know is that it screams magic prop. To me, to layman, to everyone. And I've always said to myself, if I could perform this trick with something more organic and more ordinary, then it's so good I'd probably perform this trick every day for the rest of my life. If only there was something that this looked like. Something more regular, something more everyday.
See if you can go one step further, Sonia. Are you ready? Let's level up, Sonia. Right. All I have to do is push. Now underneath there. Lift up, lift up, lift up. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yes.
The cap. Look, the 4 pennies.
Oh my God.
Look. I know, I know. Yes! Tell you what's on that.
Take my fucking eye off of it though.
I know!
Every
I know.
time.
I know. If you work it out, can you let me know? Because it freaks me out sometimes.